taken over by Airfix.
Trying to get me.
So these are still nice quality. You've got some nice crisp moulding and some good colours. And we've got the English Spitfire. Obviously for the Battle of Britain, most important plane that we had involved, and then we've got the German aeroplane also, which I think a nice little touch is the addition of the dropping bomb, which I think is a nice touch. And nice that you've still got that piece, it hasn't been lost, as I suspect a lot do when they play with. And then at the front here we've got the die-cast Schuko micro racer, probably dating from the sort of 1960s when Schuko were producing. And then we've got the late 50s Schuko car with a rather nice touch, I think, with the little horn. So, have you had these valued before?
No idea at all.
Okay. Well, obviously with collecting toys, condition is a primary importance.
You're trying to tune them.
They're in reasonable condition. I wouldn't say they were mint, but they certainly don't look like they've been sort of thrown out of someone's bedroom window and set on fire to reenact the Battle of Britain. But I think in the present market, if you were going to sell them as a combined lot, you should be putting a sort of figure of £60 to £80 on the auction. Now, the sale we're going to put them into isn't a specialist letters sale, but I think there's still going to be interest, especially with the Schuko and the two aeroplanes having their original boxes. I think they should still find buyers in an antique sale. So if you're happy with an estimate of 60 to 80 and put them in as a sort of combined lot.
Look at him, he's like a little escape artist.
Okay. Do we have to check with your brother first?
No, you don't. It wouldn't have been my brother anyway. It'd been my mother. She's trying to sell them.
She's saying sell them. We'll follow her lead then, I think. So we'll try them at £60 to £80, and I think reserve them perhaps at the bottom estimate with maybe 10% discretion.
Yeah, that'd be fine.
Linda and Stuart, thank you for being patient. There's hundreds of people here. Well, you've struggled in with some furniture, albeit some miniature furniture. Tell me all about it.
Well, we don't know anything about it really. It's an elderly friend of my mother's gave it to her to give to us because they knew I liked
Get off my fingers.
things, and it is an odd thing. But to be perfectly honest, it needs a bit of love and care.
A little bit of TLC.
It does, and it doesn't really fit in our home.
Well, you know it's a tabletop. Just a plastic.
I've no idea what it is.
Put it on a tabletop or a counter or a low dresser or a sideboard. When I first saw it from a distance and I zoomed in on you, I thought, this is an apprentice piece. But on close inspection, it's not really good enough.
She's got his mouth.
And I think this has been done by a loving, doting husband and his wife as a present. So it's a one-off, it's very finite.
These two are the trouble causers, aren't they?
What have they been doing?
Just to point out some
Two troubles.
The drawers are of different dimensions.
What have they been kissing?
They've been biting, gumming.